I know this is just a portable dishwasher bin, but this thing is great. So great that I have two of them. So let me show you why. Main reason, it folds up flat. That is incredible. And it doesn't break down. I've had these for years. I pop them open every time I use them, fold them back up after they dry, and it has not worn out. It's super sturdy. I can put boiling hot water in it. I have one for my hot water, one for my rinse water. It does have little feet on the bottom. I don't care about those for camping, but you might if you use it for countertops. It is a solid piece, and I totally recommend at least one.